3, 2, 1. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I think I'm sweet.
What?
It's so cool.
That was so cool. Does it have to look at us? We make everybody jealous my shoe. No. Alright, Anna. Just let it fall.
Welcome to the Story of Ramen, where authentic Japanese traditions meet modern flavors and unforgettable experiences. Our immersive ramen making classes bring people together, creating lasting memories and new friendships. Perfect for companies or organizations looking to strengthen their teams or entertain their clients while enjoying a unique and fun activity. Ideal for a romantic night out, a birthday celebration, or just an enjoyable evening with friends. Visit our website and book your experience today.